Dear students, our today's topic is integration. There are two types of integration, indefinite integration and definite integration. But today we learn about indefinite integration. In indefinite integration, we use two specific symbols. First is sign of summation and capital C. Sign of summation is used to indicate integration, sign of integration, and C is used as an error which occurs during integration. So it is known as constant of integration. Some important formulas are: integration of 0 is C, integration of x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus C, where n should not be equal to minus 1. Integration of 1 upon x is log x plus C. Integration of e raised to power x is equal to e raised to power x plus C. Integration of a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power x upon log e base a plus C. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus C. Integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus C. Integration of sec square x is equal to tan x plus C. Integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x plus C. Integration of sec x tan x is equal to sec x plus C. Integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus C. Integration of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon over root 1 minus x square plus C. Integration of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon over root 1 minus x square plus C. Integration of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square plus C. Integration of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square plus C. Integration of sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon x over root x square minus 1 plus C. Integration of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon x into over root x square minus 1 plus C. Dear students, we take some examples of indefinite integration. First example is integration of x raised to power 6. First of all, we use identity integration of x raised to power n to solve it. So we can write x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1. So finally we get x raised to power 7 upon 7 plus C. Second example, integration of over root x. First of all, we write over root is equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Then we use same identity. So we get x raised to power 1 upon x plus 1 upon plus C. Our final answer is 2 by 3 x raised to power 3 by 2 plus C. Example third, x square plus 1 upon x raised to power 4 dx. So first of all, we separate all integrands. So we get x raised to power 2 upon x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to power 4. So after simplify it, we get x raised to power minus 2 and x raised to power minus 4. Integration of x raised to power minus 2 is equal to x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and integration of x raised to power minus 4 is equal to x raised to power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus C. So our final answer is minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon 3x cube plus c. Example 4. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c upon x. First of all, we separate all functions. So we get a into x square upon x plus b into x upon x plus c into 1 upon x. So the integration of a into x is written as a into integration of x. So we can write similarly as integration of a into x plus b into 1 plus c into 1 upon x. So integration of x is x square by 2, integration of 1 is x, integration of 1 by x is log e base x. So our final answer is a into x square by 2 plus bx plus c log e base x plus c. Example 5. Integration of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 2 upon cos square x. First of all, we separate all functions. Then we can write 5 into integration of cos x minus 3 into integration of sin x plus 2 into integration of 1 upon cos square x, which is equal to sec square x. We can integrate as integration of cos x is sin x, integration of sin x is minus cos x, integration of sec square x is tan x. So our final answer is 5 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 2 tan x plus c. Example 6. A raised to power 2 log a base x. First of all, we simplify it using antilog formula. So after simplification, we get a raised to power log a base x square. Using antilog formula, we can write it x square. So the integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. Example 7. Integration of x square minus 1 upon x plus 1. First of all, identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we can write x square minus 1 as x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now we can cancel x plus 1 to x plus 1. So finally we get x minus 1. After separating all functions, we can write integration of x minus integration of 1. Integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of 1 is minus x plus c. Example 8. Integration of sec square x example 8. Integration of tan square x minus cot square x. First of all, we write tan square is equal to sec square minus 1 and cot square is equal to cosec square x minus 1. So now we can cancel minus 1 to plus 1. So our final function is sec square x minus cosec square x. So integration of sec square x is tan x and integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So minus minus is now plus. So integration of this whole function is tan x plus cot x plus c. Dear students, at the end of this video, there are some questions. You can do it yourself. Thank you.